neighbor's trees. Looking into the sun. And hit the house. Right there. Right over there. And then my roof is wavy because of some damage inside. And then where it broke off, and it's now in front of the garage. It's about 9 inches in diameter at the long end, which is over there. So we'll head into the garage now. That's where it broke off. It's pretty big, and of course my saw won't start. It's not going to show where it came from. These trees are not safe, apparently, because 2 came down in the last storm. So head into the garage, and there's debris on my car from when the tree hit the roof and it snapped. We counted 7 rafters. We haven't gotten up there, climbed up there yet. Luckily, the lawnmower that was moved in from the totaled shed from the last storm, it doesn't seem to have any debris on it. No damage, though, for the car or the bike. So we're going to zoom in and see with a flashlight if I can show you the broken rafters. I can turn the flashlight on. Yeah, I need a user's manual for this, apparently. Let's see. Number 1. Do I have the right one? Yeah, that one. So that one's broken. Right where those 2 dots are. It's hard to see the break in this. Zoom in a little more. Break. And then we go over here. We're going to see another break. I can't. There, oh, there it is. Right there. Another one. And another one. It's going better now. And as we go on down the line, we did count 7. I'm not going to be able to get it because the garage door's in the way, but there are 7.